We came here for Bluethroat. It's giving very good shots. Some mornings begin in the stillness of night. This weekend, I boarded a train traveling 120 kilometers with one hope: to try my luck finding the elusive Siberian Bluethroat for one last time. I had one rule: no shutter clicks until it was for the Bluethroat. I mean, this is the habitat. It was quiet, almost too quiet. Then a sudden flash of movement. There it was, posed gracefully amidst the undergrowth. These little ones fly all the way from the northern hemisphere to spend its winter among us. It's sitting on a marigold. Mother Nature has her ways of surprising us. As it got used to my presence, the Bluethroat came closer, choosing a marigold plant as its stage. With the golden blooms in the foreground and lush mustard plantation as a backdrop, the little bird looked like a star performer under nature's spotlight. But as I packed up to leave, I saw a fire raging in the middle of the field. The marigold plantation was being burned to make way for the new crops. This is coexistence. Although we admire nature's beauty, we humans decide what stays and what goes.